get this one started here. Round one is underway. And we've got a striker who is a force to be reckoned with. Tonight, though, he draws a guy who can do a little bit of everything.
And that guy is usually the one that will have the advantage. But we know what a high-level striker is. And this guy is as high level as we've ever seen in the UFC.
Oh, really using his reach advantage there with that punch, DC.
Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this one?
Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by this gentleman.
Well, he told us on Thursday you don't get paid to fight 15 minutes. To that end, early takedown is there.
His ideal fight is a grind as ugly as he can make it. It's better for him. And with this early takedown, he ensures that he can start to wear the gas tank for a long time. Beautiful body kick. Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back to range.
Watch the taller fighter lands a knee, and Daniel Cormier to my right, I can hear him saying, I wish I was a little bit taller.
And then he lands a nice elbow.
Oh, he goes to the uppercut, and he lands to the head.
He lands a beautiful uppercut right as he comes in close.
Stuffs that takedown attempt without issue. Nice punch there by Choi. Well, I'm an identical twin. Two is better than one. You might as well double up on the jab. He did so effectively there.
Doubling up on the jab, and you see his opponent's head pop it back every time it lands.
Oh, man, that couldn't have felt good. Flush knee lands to the body by the taller fighter.
If your opponent has you in the clinch, pulling down on your head, landing punch after punch, you have got to clear that collar tie, reach back inside, and try to find space.
Just missing on the uppercut there. Oh, combination lands. You want to talk about putting strikes together. Beautiful execution.
And every one of them are landing. He's overwhelming him with different attacks. Straight punch lands.
Oh, hook to the body here, but strong defense by Choi. Some nice back and forth action here. Stuffs the takedown, no problem.
Left hand punch in the clinch. Right hand punch in the clinch.
And now he's got that tie clinch. We'll see what he can do with it. Oh, collar tie. Well, he continues to find the opening. Strike right there. I'm not sure how many more of these his opponent can take.
Massive shot that he landed. Great job.
Choi! All right, let's get you some replays now. Certainly a lot for our replay guys to work with in the truck. This was a clinic tonight in terms of mixed martial arts acumen in every realm of the game.
And once he got to the top, he started to land brutal ground and pound until the fight was called off. Just a dominant performance from the top position.
Now we go inside the octagon. Bruce Buffer with the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean has called a stop to this contest at 3 minutes, 11 seconds in the very first round. Declaring the winner by knockout, the Korean Superboy,
Oh, well, there he is after a huge knockout win tonight. You going to the after party or what?